Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing like a big toy bird, bird toy haul. So yeah. Okay, so we can just get started. Also, if I'm looking up here, it's because Beep's up there. He's sitting on top of one of the things I'm propping up the camera on. So there are two bags. This one's heavier, and then there's the other one. We did this so that because school's gonna start soon, so then we won't have to go back to the bird store for a while for new toys. But yeah, I'll just start. So this is a toy that we got for Chico. It's like wood blocks. It's pretty cool. And it has a chain thing, and then it also has like these paper cardboard things. So yeah, take the tag. I don't know. But, yeah, that's this one. You can kind of get a size reference. I mean, I have a big head, but it's about the size of my head. Okay, so that's that one. I don't know what to do with them when I guess I'll put them on the floor. Okay. So, next, we also got for Chico. We got some new stuff for Chico. So we got this. Take off the tag again. But we got this. So it's kind of like the other one, but it's like in a different shape, and it has like thinner wood blocks, so it's a bit easier for them to like completely shred. She's behind me actually, and she currently has an enormous, like this big chunk of wood that she got off one of her toys. She completely loves to shred wood. She just dropped it. But, yeah, so we got this one. It's kind of turn. Pretty long. Yeah, that's this other one. It's, once again, it's actually bigger than the other one by quite a bit. I'll do it this side. So, yeah, this is comparison. They have the kind of same colors scheme, but they are different. Okay, so next is something that we also got for Chico. It seems like everything in this bag is for Chico. So we got these, like, they're like called birdie donuts. I'm just gonna get scissors so they can open this. Okay, so I got scissors. I don't know why I didn't open it off. But they just look like this. They're just in like a bunch of different colors, and they're made of cardboard. So what they do with them is you can either put them like around perches or just as foot toys, and I mean, you can make toys with them. And they just like peel them apart. So they're kind of cool. There's another color. This one's yellow. Green. Purple, orange. We got two oranges this time. But yeah, those are the birdie donuts. We haven't tried them for her yet. Pippi likes them, so we can use them for her too, if Chico's not a fan. But yeah. So next is like this little foot toy for Chico. It just looks like this. It has like these rings made of hardwood. It has this thing made of hardwood. And then it has like this woven stuff here with some wood turny thing. I don't know what I do. Everything here seems to turn. And then this thing is just made of hardwood. So it's kind of cool. We'll just see what she thinks. The foot toys are not very expensive, so yeah. So that's that. And then, that was all that was in this bag. Probably because, like, the stuff in there was huge. But now we're getting into the other stuff. So this bag is quite a lot lighter. And there's a lot of stuff in here. It's just not very heavy because there's no huge wood toys in there. Okay, so here's one that we got for Pippi. It's made of like this soft wood. It's like really soft. So she likes to chew it. And then when she finishes all the wood, then we can give this bead part to Chico because she loves the little beads. Taking off the tag. But she really loves these. We've gotten these for her before and she really liked them every time we've gotten them. So, yeah, these things just kind of turn. So kind of cool. And I'm actually going to put these in a separate pile so that I can put all of them back in the bag when I'm done with this. I don't even know what to start with. So let's just do another Pippi thing. Okay. Oh, they're falling off the table. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna get rid of the tag. But this is also a soft wood toy with like this, I don't even know what you call it. It's like, yeah, I don't even know. We haven't tried this one for her yet. So this is the first time trying it. We'll see what she thinks. But it's kind of cool. So we got this one for Pippi. Put this in this pile. And then, one thing we got for the Lovebirds is like this toy. I think it's like, I don't know. It kind of looks like a, I don't know. We've had this one for the Lovebirds before and they liked it, so we got another one. We were choosing between two sizes, but we got the smaller one because, I mean, they're not very big. But yeah, we got this. And then, I'm just looking at this bag full of stuff. Ignore that random noise. We also got this for the Lovebirds. We've never tried it before for them, so this is the first time trying it. We'll see what they think. It's just like shredding stuff and like this kind of stuff and little stars, and little cubes, these things. I guess you could kind of hide stuff in there, so yeah. This is another thing that we got for the Lovebirds. And then this must be for Pippi. We got so many things for Pippi. This is fun to shop for her and for Chico too. Chico stuff is usually more expensive. But this is, I'm assuming it's also for Pippi, but it might be for someone else. I'll have to ask my mom. But it has like these cork things that they really like. Soft wood, once again. So I think whoever this is for will probably really like it. And I bet you can guess who this one's for. Pippi. I didn't realize we got so many things for Pippi. But we got this for Pippi because she had one of these before, but she's finished it. So we've got her another one so that she can destroy this one too. Once again, this is a soft wood. It's not the same kind of soft wood as the other one. It's not as smooth, but it's like, I feel like it's called yucca or something. But it's kind of cool. They call it like kebab. So we got that for Pippi, I'm assuming. And this. Yeah, I think I know who this is for. Yeah. So this is for the budgies. I don't know which group of budgies this is for, if it's for the males or the females, or which side of whichever one. But it's for somebody. It just has like these little finger trap things, some little wood, lots of crinkle paper, some woven stuff, some cork stuff. Well, it looks like a cork, it's made of softwood. And then it has lots of softwood stuff in the middle. So that's kind of cool. So we got that for, I'm assuming the budgies. Once again, I don't exactly remember. So we got that. And then we got this, which has been making all the noise this whole time. I think we got it for Beep Beep. So it's just like this maraca toy, because he really likes these. And then it has little chains you could probably hang other stuff off of. And then it just hangs like this. He really likes the little plastic toys, and he likes these maracas. So we got that for him. We can probably use it for the other birds too, but that's most of the time. And then we also got this for Beep Beep, which is this. So it's just like this, I don't even know what you call that. But then it has these star things that he really likes. And it's just like this. It's kind of small, but he's small. So the reason we only got Beep Beep like two things, is because we just got him like this other toy that we know how to like, because he liked the other one that we got him that was the same. So we just got him two things. So yeah, we got this for Beep Beep. And then there's only two things left in here. So next we got this for the budgies. Super cute. It's like a pineapple. It's got like crinkle paper and then woven stuff and then this texture that I don't know what it is. So we got this for the budgies because, as you can tell, they really like the crinkle paper. They like to pull it out and like preen it and chew on it and stuff. So we got both of the toys for the budgies are with crinkle paper. But yeah, we got this for the budgies. We'll decide which group it's for at some point. And then lastly, we got this for Chico, which is like a shoelace toy, because she used to like be a plucker and stuff, so like her neck, that's why she's like bare on the neck, and you can see her ear on one side, which I call it her bad side. But we got this for Pippi, and she liked it. She still likes it, so we are gonna try one for Chico. But yeah, I don't know which group to put this in, because it's like for Chico, but it's small. I don't know. I'll just put it here. But yeah, that's all we got. I'll show the tags as I collected them. Ooh. Oh, look at all the Feathered Addictions toys. That's where we got these toys from. It's like a new bird store that opened really close by, and they have really good prices. All the Feathered Addictions tags. I'm just looking at all the tags. And we have some of these pinata ones. Some of the Fun Max. Zoo Max is what it actually is. Kebab. Never heard of this before. But, yeah. That's what we got for the birds. And, yeah. Thanks for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, just one more thing, the reason we didn't get anything for Blue is because he doesn't really play with toys very much, and he only likes like 2 textures for toys. which is like the kebab and the sizewell rope. So he hasn't finished those toys yet, so we didn't get him anything new. But, yeah.